Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
We're going to hear about two companies that are in a similar vein, pun intended on this one. We're going to hear that from Nina Mishra and Brian Hamilton. They have a couple of coal companies that they're talking about. Nina, we're going to start with you. You're looking at the miner Rio Tinto.
Yes, so they are one of the largest miners in the world. They are headquartered in London, but they have operations all over the globe. And like all miners, they have benefited a lot from the recent rebound in commodity prices.
Yep.
We know that everything from iron ore to coal to aluminum, copper has rallied strongly and unexpectedly over the past few months, and that has boosted miners' bottom lines significantly. And this trend is likely to continue because we know that global growth has been picking up, and China, which is the largest consumer of commodities in the world, appears to have regained its appetite. So that should be good for miners going forward. And Rio reported very strong results recently,
yes,
thanks to this rebound in commodity prices and also some of the cost-cutting measures which they had taken over the past few years. They swung back to profits in fiscal 2016 after reporting losses in the previous year. And with the strong results, they also announced a much higher than expected dividend and a share buyback plan of $500 million. And you can see, if you go to the detailed estimates page, you can see that analysts have been raising their estimates, and that sent the stock to a Zacks rank 1.
And the analysts hiked their estimates due to the 2016 earnings growth of about 12%, right?
Yeah, and a very positive outlook for 2017. And in addition to a top Zacks rank, they also have excellent style score ranks, A for value, A for momentum, and a VGM score of A, which is really good. And they also have top industry and sector ranks in the top segments, top 16% for industry and top 19% for sector. And additionally, it has a very good dividend yield now. So I think the stock is definitely worth a look with top stock rank, top industry ranks, and top VGM scores.
Yeah, and it's bull of the day today, February 28th. What else do you want, Brian?
Not much. Well, I have to say coal is definitely back. After 8 years of scorn and overregulation from the previous administration, we have a new administration that loves clean coal. He was talking about his campaign, his inauguration speech yesterday, and probably in the State of the Union as well today. The president also is rolling back regulations. He's also put in a new EPA chief who really doesn't like the EPA. He's also slashing the EPA budget, and this is music to the coal industry, and specifically Arch Coal, because they're just coming out of financial restructuring where they trimmed $4.8 billion of debt, and they were able to cut $330 million of annual interest expense. Now, this was their first reportable quarter that they just came out with, and the Zacks consensus earnings estimate was at 3 cents. They came in at $1.06. That was a 5,400% positive earnings surprise, and trust me, analysts really noticed this. So let's take a look at the 3 little charts I want to show you guys. First, if you look over here, currently Zacks ranked number 1. They're in the top 23% of all industry ranks. The sector rank is in the top 38th, and we also have an A score for the VGM rankings here. So let's take a look at what the analysts are saying about this stock here. As you can see, for next quarter, we went from $1.29 to $2.85. Q2, $1.26 to $2.17. Now here's where we really get bigger numbers. Fiscal year 2017, $4.59 to $8.76. Next year, $3.14 to $7.65. These are massive upgrades. Now we can see this in a visual chart here. Boop. As you can see here, we had the previous administration and overregulation. We have the financial restructuring, and then bam, huge jump here, and we have the expectations that are trending way upward. So coal's back, great administration with the infrastructure plans, commodity rising, the desire in China increasing as well. 2017 and 2018 look like great years for Arch Coal and the coal industry as a whole.
I was going to say, do you think now, as a result of the restructuring, their problems are pretty well behind them?
They have done a fantastic job in restructuring. Management has been really focusing on this for, this is back in September, so they've already had several months of this going through. They've actually helped out their plants as well. So management has done a fantastic job coming through restructuring.
Okay. Do either of you own these stocks?
Yes, I own Rio Tinto in the income investor portfolio.
Okay, but not outside of that?
Not outside.
I own neither.
Okay. Thank you for that. Don't forget, you have more information at your disposal as far as stocks and commentary, stock picks and stock picking strategies are concerned on our website, Zacks.com. Get over to the homepage. That's where it all starts. That's where you begin linking to all of that information from. With Nina and Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.